Good afternoon, everyone. This is Curtis Fillers, and today is Monday, August the 26th, 2019. And today, this video is going to be for anyone that has an affiliate product, a network marketing product, internet business, anything online, any kind of business online. This works for any business. This is a very powerful system. The guy that his name's Harvey, that's running this business. He's been doing this for over 15 years, and he's been way ahead of the curve on this for many, many years. He's got a vision for thinking ahead, and this is a powerful system. I now have it, and it works great. It's just powerful, and what it is. For instance, I'm going to show you this YouTube video right here. I'm not going to play the video. I'm going to show you what's in the description. But when you get with me, let's say with me, because I'm going to have a link here in this description. Matter of fact, it's going to be when you go, I'm going to have the same description in this video below this video right now. I'm going to have this description in this video. And what you want to do is click on this link. And this is where it's going to take you. There's a training room. This is all free to get in. It's a training room where you can train to do what I'm showing you right now. And this, when you come into this room right here, you're going to click on right here. When you come in, write this number down right here, the 612-999-1494. And be sure and have that number available. So when you come into that room, you give that number. And what's going to happen is, he will do this for you. He will get a marketing system set up. You'll get your own Facebook group page. For instance, I'm going to show you mine right here. This is mine right here. 3,500 Inner Circle marketing system. Okay, let me show you something else. What happens is any business you have, you can have multiple businesses. He will set up a different system for each business. For instance, I have a system called Lead Lightning, and this one's set up for Lead Lightning. So what happens is, let's say for instance, this post right here. I click on this post, and what I'm going to do is I want to share this in groups. Click here to share now. There's a software that's being used to do this, which I get for free, but I can market it and make money for selling it, even though I'm doing it for free. You hit right there, share in group. I'm just going to pick a group out of here. And then you just type in, let's go with this one. I'll just pick this one out. Now what I would do, I don't have it available right now. I will take my link for the software for sharing this and put right here. And you probably make about 2 or 3 sales a day just for doing that. But the main thing is you want to post this to Facebook. Now watch what happens. Now see, my video starts playing. All my information is in this description down here. Matter of fact, see that right there? My number is in the title. And when everybody in this group clicks on that, it shares it. See what I mean? And all of your information is being shared. So, for instance, if you have a CBD oil business and you want to market that, he'll set you up with a number, and he'll have Facebook posters in his training room that actually post and sends out your videos for you. He has that done for you. He takes care of all that for you. But you need to get in there and check it out, and you'll know what I'm talking about. And all in this description, all of this will be your information. See down here, there'll be links that link back to your CBD business or whatever business that may be. And he's got it all set up with the keywords for that business. See, mine's for Lead Lightning, and it's just a powerful, powerful system. So what I'm going to do, this same description is going to be in this description below here. So it makes it a lot easier. So what you need to do, click on that description or the link in there, and that will take you to that training room. And remember, you want to take that number, have that number available right here, and click right here where it says click to join a Discord room, and it will take you in the training room. And again, my name's Curtis Fillers. When they have that number, they'll see that number, they'll know who it came from. And some other things that he does for you. I mean, there's so many, it's too many to talk about right here. He will do this for you too. It's a free video downline builder marketing system. Already set up. See right here, it's already set up for me. Someone clicks that, they go to an affiliate product. Then they click this, it takes them to my marketing system. Then they click here, it takes them to my best biz offer, which would be, in this case, Lead Lightning. So now watch, I'll click this one. And say, it takes you right there to Lead Lightning. You put their name and email in there, it takes them to my Lead Lightning page. And this can all be done for anything that you have. You can have multiple things. And it's only like for everything that you have, it's just a $10 charge. Like for this number here, this marketing number here is $10. I want to do it for another business, it's $10. And that's it. And he'll set up a page for each and every one of those businesses that you have. But it's very powerful. And you got to remember, you have all these Facebook posters that he has working. See, they're going to be working under him, and that's part of what they do is they send out post these to different groups, market this to all these different places with your number, with your links, and all these descriptions. And you got to remember, once these videos go out, they're always there. They're out forever. They work 24/7 in your behalf. All that information about you are in those descriptions. Those phone number, your phone number will be in the title, in the description. And you'll get all this stuff too, like I got the back office. You'll go to a training room where you can see Harvey and some other team leaders working live. You can communicate inside there with them. You can go on the webcam with them, talk to them, just go in there and watch training videos. It's a great, great program, and very, very, very cheap. You can do a whole lot of this for nothing, but I highly recommend becoming a member of his team, which is very, very cheap. And I'm telling you, it'll take your business to another level because you've got all these people working for you. You don't have to do this all by yourself. So with that being said, I'm going to go ahead and take off. And if you would, I'd appreciate a like. If you got something out of this video, like and subscribe to my channel. And I really do appreciate you watching this video. So thank you guys very much. And don't forget the link below in here. Be sure and click that, and it'll take you to that Discord room. And there'll be that number there for you to be sure to give to who's in the training room. I may even be in there myself. So talk to you guys later. And thank you very much for watching. Bye-bye.